no HR experience, and you can still get certified. Here's how APHR works. First, let's know what is APHR. Basically, APHR is an entry-level HR certification offered by the HR Certification Institute, or simply HRCI. Now, it is designed for individuals who want to start a career in human resources even if they have no prior HR experience. So who is it for? Fresh graduates, MBA or BBA HR students, career switchers, entry-level HR professionals. The exam is conducted through Pearson VUE, either online, that is remote proctoring, or at a test center. APHR exam format. I have designed a table for you for the necessary details. This would save your time. Now, regarding the APHR exam content, that is domains. The table shows different domains, the percentage content, and what each domain mean. APHR exam cost. It's the fee structure for the exam. Keep in mind, prices may vary by country. Scoring system. Scaled score range is 100 to 700, and the passing score is 500. Immediate unofficial result after exam, and official score report within 24 to 48 hours. This was all. Thanks for watching.